You've opened many videos before, but this one is different. This lesson is not random. It can change your English journey forever. Stay tuned. Welcome, everyone. If you have spent years studying English but still can't form a sentence when it matters, remember those moments. Your mind goes blank, your palms sweat, and the words just won't come out. If you feel frustrated, stuck, or embarrassed by your silence, I need you to hear this. It is not your fault. You have been misled. Nobody revealed the true secret of fluency. Nobody told you that real speaking power isn't stored in your mind. It's built in your mouth. Yes, your mouth. And that single truth changes everything. A boxer doesn't become strong by reading books. They train their body with relentless repetition. A musician doesn't master an instrument by watching tutorials. Their fingers learn the rhythm through constant practice. You must train your mouth in the same way. So why do you keep treating English like a textbook? Why are you memorizing when you should be mobilizing? In this video, I will reveal the truth. I will give you a powerful mouth training method that will unlock your speech, even if you're starting from zero. It's simple, profound, and life-changing. This is about more than language. It's about confidence, freedom, and reclaiming your voice. So listen closely. Speak with me. Believe in every word. And if you are ready for this transformation, subscribe to EduTalks now. We are not just a channel. We are a global community, a movement for fluent voices. Let's begin. Part 1. The unspoken truth. Conversational, revelatory. The big truth. Fluency lives in your mouth, not in your mind. That's the reality most learners never see. You've probably said, "I understand, but I can't speak." The words are in your mind, but they freeze on your lips. Let me tell you why. It's not a personal weakness. It's not your intelligence or memory. It's because you've never physically trained your mouth to speak English. Think about it. A singer who knows every lyric but never sings aloud, can she perform? Never. You've studied grammar, learned vocabulary, watched videos, but how many minutes a day do you actually speak? How many minutes do you train your mouth without fear? Probably very little. That's the problem. Your brain learns English, but your mouth delivers it. Your brain stores the words, but your brain is not the speaker. Your mouth is. So when your brain says, "I know what to say," and your mouth says, "But I've never said it," conflict begins. Fear takes control. English is not just a language, it's a physical skill, like dancing or driving. It lives in your lips, tongue, and breath. That's where fluency becomes natural. You build it by repeating, speaking, practicing out loud. That's mouth training. It's the gym for your fluency. Every repetition builds strength and rhythm. Every sentence is a representative. You watch a video and understand everything, but when someone asks, you panic. Why? Your brain was full, but your mouth was empty. Now, imagine you pause that video and repeat every sentence out loud with power. Now you've trained the mouth. Now your words flow. Now you're not just learning English. You are living it. Part 2. Your 10-minute mouth gym. This is your daily routine. 5 simple exercises. Just 10 minutes. You don't need a teacher or confidence. You just need your mouth. No excuses. Exercise 1. The stretch. 2 minutes. Stand in front of a mirror. Breathe deeply. Say these lines slowly and with meaning. I am here. I can speak. I don't need to be perfect. I need to be free. Repeat 3 times. You're switching from student to speaker. Exercise 2. The drill. 2 minutes. Train your lips and tongue for speed. Say these word clusters 3 times, getting faster. Better, butter, batter, bitter, coffee, copy, company, common, run, right, really, ready. Then say, I can say this clearly. I can say this faster. I can say this freely. Exercise 3. Tongue twisters. 2 minutes. Push your limits for clarity. She sells seashells by the seashore. 30 thirsty thinkers thought thrilling thoughts. Now say, if I can say this, I can say anything. Exercise 4. Sentence stretching. 2 minutes. Turn small ideas into fluent sentences. Start with, I want, and stretch it. I want to speak. I want to speak better English. I want to speak better English every day with confidence. Do the same with he is learning. And we practice. Exercise 5. Identity voice. 2 minutes. This is the most important part. Stand up. Look in the mirror. Declare, I am an English speaker. I don't wait for perfection. I practice. I don't fear mistakes. I welcome them. My voice matters. My story matters. Believe it. Repeat it. Fluency is an identity. Do this full routine daily. In just 7 days, your mouth will feel stronger, your words will come faster, and your fear will begin to disappear. Part 3. The science of speaking. Why does this work? Because speaking is not a brain memory, it's a muscle memory. Your brain stores knowledge, like vocabulary, but your body performs skills, like riding a bike or speaking. You can't learn to dance by reading a book. You must move. Let's look at 2 learners. Person A knows 1,000 words but never speaks. They freeze in conversation. Person B knows only 100 words but speaks them every single day. After 1 month, Person B speaks with more confidence and fluency than Person A. Why? Because fluency is about training, not just knowing. Think about Sarah. She understood English but was too scared to speak. Her voice shook. Then she started a simple mouth training routine. She spoke to herself in the mirror daily. It felt awkward, but she continued. After 1 month, she did her first live video call in English. Not perfect, but fearless and alive. All because she stopped waiting for her brain to feel ready and started building fluency with her mouth. Most learners are waiting. I'll speak when I'm ready, but you will never feel ready. Fluency doesn't come to you. You go to it. You build it. You train for it. If you wait for your brain, you'll wait forever. But if you train your mouth, your confidence will grow. Your brain and your mouth will finally become a team. That's fluency. Part 4. Your 7-day launch plan. Watching isn't enough. You need action. Here is your 7-day challenge. Day 1. Start ugly. Mindset. I will speak even with mistakes. Your mission. Do the full 10-minute routine. Just start. Day 2. Speak your world. Describe 5 things around you in English. This is my phone. I use it to learn. Day 3. Speak your feelings. Connect English to emotion. Say, I feel nervous, but I'm growing. Give your feelings a voice. Day 4. Tell a tiny story. Share one short memory. I tried to speak to a tourist. I made a mistake, but we laughed. I felt proud. Day 5. Mirror power. Speak to your reflection. Say, you are strong. You are becoming fluent. See yourself as a speaker. Day 6. Repeat and grow. Go back to a sentence from day 1 and stretch it longer. Make it more powerful. Day 7. Become the speaker. Declare, I am an English speaker. I have trained my mouth. I have found my voice. This is my beginning. You just finished a 7-day transformation. Every word you spoke gave power to your future. Now, imagine doing this for 30 days, for 90 days. You will create a new version of yourself. Part 5. The Fluent Mindset. Fluency is not just grammar. It's a mindset. Your beliefs control your mouth. If you believe I'm not good enough, you will fail. If you believe my voice deserves to be heard, you will succeed. Here are your new rules to live by. I am becoming English. It's an identity, not a subject. My mouth is my teacher. Speaking creates memory. I speak first, I fix later. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Confidence is a muscle. Build it with small, daily actions. I only compete with yesterday me. Your only goal is to be better than you were last week. My voice has value. Your story matters. Fluency is my right. You need only your mouth and your decision. Repeat these every day. Whisper them. Write them. When you stop chasing perfection and start practicing freedom, everything changes. Fear weakens. Sentences flow. You start thinking in English. You are no longer just a learner, you are a speaker. Speakers don't wait. They create fluency daily through repetition and bravery. That is you now. Remember, true fluency isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. It's about showing up every single day, practicing with your voice, and refusing to let silence win. Every sentence you speak is a victory. Every mistake is proof you're trying. You are stronger than your fear. You are ready. So, what is your choice? Will you stay quiet or will you start speaking? The power is in your hands. Speak now. Begin now. Your mouth is your passport to freedom. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. If you felt a spark today, fan that flame. Speak one sentence. Record your voice. That is where your journey begins. Your voice is a gift. Your story deserves to be heard. Now, I want to hear from you. What part of this message changed something for you? Tell me in the comments. And if you're ready to build this fluency with us, subscribe to EduTalks. Like this video and share it with someone who needs to find their voice. Because your courage doesn't just change you. It inspires everyone around you. Now, say it with me one final time. I am an English speaker. I practice, I grow, I speak. Carry this belief with you. Let it become who you are. This is EduTalks. We believe in your voice. Now go speak and never be silent again.